girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
I did it for my granny. Back when we couldn't buy pizza cause we were down to pennies. Feel like we go back a century, run to the store for centuries. Then bring it back to your brother, man, we had to respect it. He was wavy doing mixtapes out of your basement. He let us hit on occasion for entertainment. Then he would leave us at the house and go out on a mission. We probably would've got in less trouble just going with him. Feel like I never say much, but man, that's a lot to know. Feel like the difference between us really starting to show. I'm looking at they first week numbers like, what are those? I mean, boys not even coming close. I gave like you a reason for celebration. You number one and I'm Eddie Murphy, we trading places. Look in the mirror, I'm closer than I really appear. Creeping like chili without the tender love and care. No tender love and care, no love and affection. I got a price on my head, but there's a risk to collecting. I might be here as a vessel to teach people a lesson. Feel like they wanted me dead, but couldn't pull it together. Yeah. But here we are and it's a new semester. 40, the only one that know how I deal with the pressure. A couple nights where it start to feel like the feeling's faded. A lot of problems that can't be fixed with a conversation. Yeah. Your best day is my worst day. I get green like Earth Day. You treat me like I'm born yesterday, you forgot my birthday. You don't be scoring perfect. You don't be working like how we be working. You platinum like rappers on Hershey's, boy, that's what it's worthless. You get the message over and over like it was urgent. And then act like you ain't heard it when you see me in person. The only thing I did to end up here was put the work in. And did it with a purpose. Used to have secret handshakes to confirm my friendships. Nowadays they just shaking my hand to hide the tension. A lot of people just hit me up when my name is mentioned. Shout out to KD, we relate, we get the same attention. It's raining money, Oklahoma City Thunder. The most successful rapper 35 and under. I'm assuming everybody's 35 and under. That's when I'm planning to retire, man, it's already funded. Yeah. I brought your wifey out to St. Martin. She violated, I sent her back where it all started. How quick they ought to forget about their bachelor apartment. Leave it like you could show them light in the darkness. Told my mama that I found a lady in the east. Cancun when I got signed, they upgraded the suite. Don Julio in the freezer that they gave us for free. I get you all you can eat, just have some patience with me. You wouldn't tell me you love me, started seeing Monique. Last time I heard from Monique, T-Minus was making beats. I used to hit the corner store to get Tahiti treat. Now they talk at the corner store as I'm TBE. The best ever, don't ever question, you know better. Ain't always how it seems when it's so together. Yeah. I let that last line breathe and take a second to get it. Western road flows, my confidence level getting settled. Don't get hyped for the moment, then start to backpedal. Don't let your newfound fame fool you, cloud up your judgment to talk loosely. I really do this, been flowing stupid since Vince Carter was on some Buddha legs, arm in a hooch. Drinking hypnotic with Glenn Lewis, I've been through it. Y'all was so afraid to lay claim to it. Too busy face screwing on waist movements. You was riding TTC Metro, I had the place booming. First take Drake, you know I rarely have to take to it. And they still take to it. Big Apple had the white Hummer parked right in front of Fluid. And we be walking in that.
Rap to you real quick. I wanna enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lotus flower bound,
take me high. Teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb, I'm trying to detonate you. No disrespecting, baby, just try and make you smile. Try to keep my spirits up, that's why I lace it down. Try to keep your spirits up, little vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed, I acknowledge your effort. So I clap for her, she deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard, she deserves that baton. Shawty wear your baton, racing through my mind like she heard that, I got that work. I heard that she been on strike, care to tell, read your mind. She been on them dollars first, caramel, macchiatos, when Shawty get in the work. I can be your boyfriend, be your Vito, or a grand purse. I'm just trying to work that, they just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind, I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light, they just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bullock, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love, maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside, I can tell you like persistence, but I make you me tries. I just think we need one night, can't decide if I can't right. Easy baby, my thing tight, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right, can't decide but I can't fight. Easy baby, you the bomb and all, but if I did not ran mine, or at least try, can I speak up? Or the peace out? Can we eat lunch? Can we take shots with your flavor? Flat drinks we call A-cups, I just think I need one night. Slightly more if it's done right, with that gorgeous face that don't know your name, it ain't important baby, cause I'm a home line.
Fantasy, I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby? Don't know me, don't know me. If I keep sick on me, don't know me. Let me teach you all the stuff.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Domthetastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for WestKiss hair, and today I'm reviewing this gorgeous curly unit from them, and this is a 13x4 lace front unit. This is a really full unit and I absolutely love it. I'm going to show you guys with all of the hair up front because this is a lot of hair, okay? Like, it's giving Coming to America thick. Like, you know, that thick long curly hair that she had on is really giving that. This is all of the hair up front, and I'm not sure what kind of curl pattern this is, but I'm really loving it. One of the main things that stood out to me was the knots on this unit. The knots on this unit are so perfect, and this is a single knotted unit. It makes it look a lot more natural than it normally would, rather than having like really large knots that are hard to bleach, and you usually have to bleach them twice, and I don't like that. So glad that the knots on this unit are very tiny, which gives you just the perfect look. So if you ever get a unit and you want to have a more natural look, you always want to make sure that you go with single knotted units. Not all companies mention that they have single knotted units, so you know, I'm really happy that WestKiss has this one because it is amazing, especially when you have curly hair. That's really when you want it to be like as natural as possible. And although I did add some baby hairs in today's unit, you don't need any baby hairs with this unit. The lace on this unit is absolutely amazing. So I'm sure you guys probably noticed today I did my install a little bit different, and I cut my lace off before I came on camera to apply the unit. Because I wear makeup during my installs, when I apply my unit and I cut the lace off while it's on, I feel like that's when you see more of the line of demarcation, because my makeup comes off with it sometimes and it just doesn't give as natural as I would like it to give, and it doesn't like melt how I want it to melt. So what I'm starting to do now is just cutting the lace off prior to adhering the unit. Okay, you guys, so this is an up close look at the unit. You guys can see how amazing it looks all the way around. But like I said, like even this part here, like I don't have any baby hairs right there, here, or even down here. This isn't baby hair. This is just how the hair is like naturally going. I only put baby hair right there. But yeah, and it looks so good, still looks so natural. So if you wanted to wear it back into a ponytail, you know, it would look so nice and natural, which I love about it, especially like all up in here. Like it just looks so good. And that's what I mean by like it being single knotted. The knots are very, very tiny. You don't see them. So you guys can see that, like, hello. So yeah, pre-cutting your lace, and you guys see like this is still movable down here. It's not like stuck down. And it just looks a lot better. Like I really like how I melted my lace and everything. I didn't have to use the melting band. I didn't have to use anything to like make the lace melt even more. So I like that about it, and it just looks so good. I absolutely love how this turned out today. And I like the curl pattern, so I just put it like in this really cute flip over, you know, very wild and crazy. Lace is absolutely amazing, and it's also a really great fit. That's the other thing that I really like about it, because I have a small head and units tend to fit like a lot larger on me, but this one fits perfect. It does have the elastic band inside, but it's not adjustable, so for me it was pointless. But I did use the adjustable straps that are in the very back of the unit, and this unit also comes with combs as well. So if that's something that interests you, you can definitely have that extra security with the combs. And the other thing that I like about this unit is that it is a true 13x4 lace front unit, so you get a full frontal with this one. You don't have to worry about having like that, you know, your sides where it's like a bunch of tracks and stuff right there. I'm actually going to show you guys where the tracks start. Let's see. For this unit, y'all know I always got to give y'all the full tea on these units. So this is where the tracks start, but you get all this space up here back to here, so you get a decent amount of space in the front. Today's install was very simple. I didn't really have to do too much because the hair really just speaks for itself. I don't have to, you know, do any crazy styling. I just put it in a cute little flip over, added a little bit of, you know, swoops here and there, and she's just giving, girl. Like I said, this is a 24-inch unit, I believe, so I'm gonna stand up and show you guys where it's hitting on me, even though you guys can already see like where it's hitting on me. And I'm just gonna give you guys a nice little 360. So yeah, I'm gonna stand up so y'all can see. With the stretch length goes down here, so you know it definitely gets a little bit longer. And then this is the back, but I don't feel like y'all can see all of the hair, but kinda, because it's so full. Let me sit down for y'all. Yeah, this is what the back is looking like. And it's so thick. It's just like, I also put it in a ponytail, girl. She's just thick, 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 thick. A lot of hair. Okay, and I think a lot of you guys would like it as well. So if you're interested in checking it out for yourself, definitely check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit, along with all the details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, WestKiss Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this gorgeous unit. And of course, I have to thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there, both new and returning, for showing me so much love and support. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.